The core idea is that if an eighth grader cannot explain your concept back to you after hearing it, you probably don't understand the topic well enough yourself. Authority doesn't come from sounding impressive or using big words, but instead it comes from being completely understood by everyone in the room. I was coaching a high level executive recently who kept losing stakeholder buy in on video calls because she relied on so much corporate jargon that people would just tune out. And once we applied the eighth grade rule to our presentations, the entire dynamic of our meetings changed for the better. You can make this tactical right now by using the 3-step eighth grade test. First, force yourself to say your main point in exactly one sentence with no exceptions allowed. Second, go through and remove every single word you wouldn't use in a normal conversation to cut out the fluff. And third, ask yourself if a 13-year-old could teach the same thing to someone else tomorrow morning. If the answer is no, you have to rewrite it, because if your message needs a glossary, you've already lost the room. When my client finally simplified her message, the awkward silence on her calls turned into a real engagement and aha moments almost instantly. She went from being ignored to leading the entire conversation because she chose to prioritize clarity over being clever.